Mastering phrasal verbs. Unlocking. Throw away. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our journey of mastering English language learning. Today, we're going to look into an exciting area of English, phrasal verbs, with a special focus on one of the most common phrasal verbs with away, throw away. In English, a phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition. The resulting compound usually has a completely different meaning from the original verb. Our main focus today is the phrasal verb, throw away. Throw away has two primary meanings. The first and most literal meaning is to discard or get rid of something. If you're done with something and you no longer need it, you might throw it away. Example: after finishing the book, he decided to throw it away. The second meaning is to waste something, usually an opportunity or a chance. Example: you've been given a fantastic opportunity. Don't throw it away. We've seen what throw away means. Now let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Throw away is a separable phrasal verb, meaning that you can put the object in the middle of the verb and the preposition or after the preposition. Example 1. I need to throw away these old clothes. Object after the preposition. Example 2. I need to throw these old clothes away. Object in the middle. Let's do some practice together. Try to create your own sentences using throw away. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel using these phrases in everyday conversation. Thank you for joining today's session on the phrasal verb, throw away. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs is a fantastic way to sound more natural in English. So, don't throw away this knowledge. Practice it often. See you in the next video, and as always, happy learning.